Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys a special script which you definitely needed for your game dev journey. As in our game development, we have used a lot of managers to manage other scripts, and this manager script only can have a copy at a time. If you have more than one, it will cause some data conflict or others unwanted race condition. So, the design pattern in programming that allow recall can have only one copy in a scene is called Singleton. Singleton pattern is used by your manager script like the game manager, sound manager, or the data manager that only allow have an instance at a time. So now go to your script folder, create a new script called Singleton. Double click to edit it. Remove the start and update method. We are not going to use it. Then Singleton will be a generic class, so we are going to use an angle bracket notation with a letter T, which T is actually stand for the actual type we are going to create. Now, our singleton will always derive from mono behavior, so we are going to use column mono behavior over here. Okay, then we also need to create a static variable of the instance. This is going to refer to a specific object in our hierarchy. Now we need to create a public static t instance to reference the private static that we just defined. So this will going to be our getter function, which we will implement some logic inside. So inside my get, let me think a while. If the instance is null for whatever reason, then we are going to use the set the instance and use the game object find object of type method to find the game object with the correct type T. If we still don't get the game object with the correct type which equal to null, then we will create a game object with the correct type by using the name of the type of t.name. Of course, we also need to add the component t into the game object we just create. So minstance equal to singleton dot add component t. Now after all the logic, we just need to return the instance. So okay, now we need to create another method which is await public virtual void await. If the instance is not equal to anything, then we set the instance to this object equal to this object as type T. Else if we discover that the instance is already set, that means another object of this component type T is already exists. In this case, we are need to destroy ourselves because singleton can only be one instance at a time. We'll destroy ourselves by calling destroy object. Now our singleton class is ready, but we can enhance it by creating a bool don't destroy. Then at the await method, if don't destroy equal to true, then we will remove the parent of this object and prevent it from destroy when the scene on load by using this method called don't destroy on load. We are putting this object as the parameter. Okay, now our Singleton class is completed. Go back to Unity. We need to create something to test the Singleton. So create a new empty game object. Call this data manager. So create a new script called data manager. Then double click the script. We will derive the data manager from the Singleton class we just created. So Singleton angle bracket notation data manager. Remove the start and update method because we are not going to use it. Then we will create a test method which is public void count data and also a test amount public integer amount equal to 0. Then when this function is triggered, then we add the amount by 1. Also debug dot log warning the amount data. So go back to Unity, add the script to the data manager and take the don't destroy field. Okay, now I have prepared a canvas to be tested. So there will be two buttons over here. One is a lock button, the second one is a scene button. Now we need to create a script for the lock button. So right click, create script, lock button, and double click it to edit the script. Remove the start and update method. We will create a function called public void click lock. Inside this method, we will call the data manager count data function by its instance. Go back to Unity, add the lock button script to the lock button. Also add the on click listener, put the lock button, look for the click lock method. Now change to the next scene. As I prepare another scene with the same lock button, we will doing the same thing over here. Click the lock button, place the lock button to the listener, look for click lock method. Okay, now we are ready to test. Go back to the main scene, click play, and click the lock button. Here we can see the amount. We can try again to increase the amount. Here you can see the data manager is at the don't destroy unload section. Now we try to switch to next scene. Here is the lock button over here. Before I click it, you can see the data manager is not destroyed if even the scene is changed. Now click the lock button. You can see the amount is incremented from the previous scene. The amount is increased to 3. So I think that's it for this tutorial. We have successfully implemented the Singleton pattern for our manager. Take note that you are allowed to control whether the Singleton manager should be destroyed or stay when a new scene is loaded. You should be able to reuse this class, so hang on it from project to project. And most of the coming tutorial will be using the Singleton class, as I am going to introduce more and more manager to you guys. So I hope this tutorial helps you. If it did, please give this tutorial a like and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.